What we have here is an 85 Yamaha bw200 new project. Picked up a couple of these for $500 for the pair. I'm going to be stripping this down, totally restoring it. I've already had this one running. This motor is off a bw200 electric start. I'm going to have to split the case, so the whole motor's got to come apart. I got to replace the sprocket shaft because this one, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, that one sticks out a little too far. So we'll be replacing that. We're going to get this motor working in this. The wiring harness, I hacked it up so it would run on this wiring harness because this is what I had for it. All this wiring harness is off a 200E 3-wheeler, but it does run. So yeah, this is the new project. We'll clean it up, paint it, restore it. So I'll show videos of that as I get some progress done on it. So, a little short update video for some projects that we've got or picked up. So, there you have it. Till the next one.